Yo, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you all how to view private Instagram accounts without actually following them, guys. It's a very simple tutorial, very quick and very easy, guys. Before I get into this tutorial, I have an iPhone XR that I'm going to be giving away to one of you lucky viewers, guys. So if you want to win this iPhone XR, just like, subscribe, and then comment why you want this phone, guys. Alright, let's get into it.
So what you want to do is you want to open up Google, and then you want to type in the search bar up top odexgen.com. That's odexgen.com, guys. So what you want to do, hit go. Okay, and then you just want to scroll down until you see the Instagram Plus Plus app, guys. Alrighty, guys, I found mine right here. It will say access to all tweaked Instagram features. So what you want to do is click on that, and then it'll say app tweaking required, and then download Instagram Plus, guys. So just hit the download Instagram Plus app. And then guys, it'll say tweaking app. So what this is doing is injecting your your Instagram with new coding and new software, guys, so you will be able to view any private account that you want without actually following them, guys. So as you can see here, it says preparing human verification. So before we actually get the new coding and software injected, you will have to do a CAPTCHA completion challenge to make sure that you guys are human. So it's very simple, guys. You see the 4 offers. All you have to do is follow the 4 simple instructions for these 4 offers, guys. So we'll take Norton Mobile Security, for example. Just hit plus free, then OK. Alright, guys, so it'll bring you here, and you will have to install this app and then open it and just run it for 30 seconds, guys. It's very simple. You don't have to start a trial. You don't have to sign in, none of that. All you have to do is just tap around in here and run it for 30 seconds, guys. Alright, so once that offer's up, so then you would just go on to the next one and then complete or follow on the instructions until you have completed all 4 offers, guys. It's very simple. Once you've completed all 4 offers, then you'll have that new coding injected into your Instagram app, and you'll have the Instagram Plus Plus apps.
Alrighty, guys, so once you complete all 4 offers, complete the full process that I showed you guys, then you should be able to view Instagram private accounts without actually following them, guys. It's very simple. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys have any trouble with this, and I'll be sure to get back to you guys with those problems and help you solve them, guys. And remember, if you want to win this iPhone XR, then all you have to do is like, subscribe, and then comment why you want the phone to enter the giveaway, guys. Alrighty, thank you all for watching.